What's the meaning of Anglo? Anglo. 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 Anglo.
Anglo is a prefix that derives from the Latin word Anglis, meaning English. It is commonly used to describe something or someone of English origin or descent. The term is often used in reference to the Anglo-Saxon people, who inhabited England throughout the early Middle Ages. In modern times, Anglo can also refer to the cultural and linguistic influence of English-speaking countries, particularly those of British or American origin. Overall, Anglo is a term that describes aspects related to English culture, history, and language.